teachers and my dear friends. Today I'm going to narrate a story of the proud rose written by Shannon and Elizabeth. I am a cactus, not very pretty, all thorns, no fragrance, besides pretty rose, bright and beautiful, loved by everyone. But every day the rose mocked me. She says, "Look at me, perfect petals, sweet fragrance, and you, ugly cactus." I stayed silent because in this desert, beauty doesn't last, but strength does. Then the summer came, the soul bored, autumn vanished, the rose began to wilt. "Oh no, I'm dying," the rose said. "Don't worry, rose, I have stored water. Take it and live." And as she died, life